Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make emoji on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. So you tap on this profile icon and here you can see your name, your server name, tap on it, and you tap on settings icon. Now here you can see emoji option, simply tap on it. Now tap on upload emoji button. Before that, you need to know the requirements to upload emoji. So you can see that your file type should be in JPG, PNG or GIF, and your recommended file size should be 256 KB that it will automatically compress. So once you are done reading all these requirements, simply tap on upload emoji button as shown here. Now select the photo from your gallery. Once you're selected, simply tap on choose button and it will upload your emoji. So in this way you can add emoji on Discord. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.